Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Polkadot price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we're looking at an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside, finishing a wave 1 or a wave A. After both case scenario, you would like to see, of course, 3 corrective waves as, of course, A, B, and a C here in this case. Of course, we have a bottomed somehow in a truncated wave C as well, because yeah, this might be, of course, due to the long wave A, of course, that is very possible to finish with a truncated wave C here and start to moving toward the upside, of course, as a signal for higher prices. Now, as you can see, and if we get closer, we have finished a wave 1 here. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And after this, we are looking at A, B, and a C toward the downside. As you can look here, we have, of course, the 0.618 and the 0.786. Perfect for a wave 2, of course, and this is exactly what we were looking for. After, of course, reaching the perfect time for a wave 2, now we can say, of course, we have kind of like finished 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a zigzag for a contracting and ending a diagonal. Very nice. Is this, by the way, can be an impulse, A, B, and a C. Perfect finished. Of course, we can label this as well, A, B, and a C. Finishing a wave 2, and yeah, we are looking for higher soon, I think, for Polkadot, probably. Now, we would like first to see, of course, your first signal here is having 5 waves up and 3 waves down and continuation toward the upside. You would like to see this, of course, on the 1 hour chart. For example, if we take a look here, we have started to see something impulsive, but we need to check, of course, if we have finished nicely this ending diagonal, where we would like to have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, ABC, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, and then ABC, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, so we still need one more leg, of course. As you can see, this contracting diagonal has ended in this shape, 3, 4, and a 5. We still need one more leg, I would say, for Polkadot, probably, and to finish, of course, this wave C or in a wave 2. Now, on the 1 hour chart, of course, we are looking to several waves up here, but this is, yeah, we cannot say impulsive. 1, 2, 3, 4, your wave 4, of course, has invalidated this impulse because it has interfered with your zone 1, which is not allowed, turning it into a B, and a C kind of ending diagonal as well, and start to finish this wave 5 and finishing with it this ABC for a wave 2, looking for higher prices. Now, if we go back a little bit bigger on the 4 hour chart, I would like to see, of course, higher prices, as I have mentioned, after this final leg as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 waves down, continuation for a bullish scenario, of course. You would like to see this pattern repeating in between, of course, these green boxes anyway. If in case, of course, you have reached the 0.886 here, that is kind of like invalidation of any impulse toward the upside. So we cannot really count 1, 2 for an impulse 3, 4, 5, but it is very possible, for example, to move for a 1, 2 in a contracting diagonal, because the wave 2 in a contracting diagonal is allowed to be, of course, an 886 fib level. Now, in case, of course, we pass this 886, which I doubt it a little bit, because this will be very low for Polkadot, and that means, of course, we're gonna break even this low and even going lower than ever. So I still, of course, a little bit doubt this. I believe that Polkadot will move higher, of course, from this, because it has kind of extended the maximum for this 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, or probably A, B, and a C. Now, what is the highest possibility between ABC and an impulse for toward the upside? I would say, of course, a wave 2 has much more possibility, and that because of the wave 2, which is very deep toward the downside, and of course for the long time required to finish this wave 2. I believe that this can be, of course, much more to be a wave 2 rather than a wave B. Your wave B in a zigzag after an impulse normally would like only to reach the 0.5, meaning only the middle of the structure of the zigzag, and of course it would like to be much more faster than a wave 2, meaning you would like to finish this zigzag already so faster than a wave 2. Therefore, higher possibility for a wave 2 rather than a wave B. Your target is of course a 1.618 taken from this one to once we reach the low, in case of course the low was in between those fib levels. Let's say the minimum fib level here or the maximum fib level should be 0.786, meaning your target can reach of course the 1.618 at $29.21. Very, very nice. Now, of course, in that case scenario, you would like to see a wave 3 and then 4 and a 5 finishing this wave. Of course, not yet, because this is gonna finish only your wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Yeah, so basically we're gonna need an extended wave 5, yeah, to reach, of course, the wave C fib level taken from the start here of the 8 till the end, and based on the wave B, as you can see. We would like to have one of these scenarios, or rather an extended wave 3. I would explain wave 3 impulse. So 2.618, yeah, and then a shallow wave 5, okay, or the opposite, a shallow wave 3, yeah, and then 4 and a very extended wave 5. Both of them will finish, of course, a wave C here or a wave 3, of course. Yeah, now the wave 3 would like, of course, to reach even higher because you have a big 1, 2 here. So basically, if we don't reach directly the wave C, yeah, that by the way, that's why it gives us higher possibility for a bigger impulse here. Yeah? This is where we start to figure it out. Like if we don't get any extended wave here, 3 or 5, yeah, it will be hard to finish a wave C. If we get a normal wave 3, 4, 5 like this will end up, of course, a 1, 2, meaning 3, 4, 5 to finish your impulse, you know, because this is exactly what you need, your wave 3, 1.618. So you kind of like you start to touch even much more the proof that this price action is moving towards 1.618, just because looking at this 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, this will create, of course, a wave 1, 2 without reaching the 1-to-1 fib level for this 1, 2 here, or ABC, yeah, which is supposed to be. And yeah, here we go. I think higher possibility. Of course, we're moving with the yellow count here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, first target is $29. That was it for Polkadot. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.